We didn't just do with these skills. In 2025, we wrapped up with 35 amazing video content on DOSefashions Academy TV, which goes from the bodice crafting, which is from the 5 basic block sets, the basic bodice, basic skirts, basic sleeve, and the basic pants. All video on the YouTube channel here. From the bodice drafting to all the skirt variations, jackets, gowns, and advanced pattern techniques. We moved into jackets and then we goes into all series of jackets. That is from the coat vest to the bolero to the blazer, double-breasted jackets to the drape jackets, waterfall jackets. These are amazing video contents that so many of creative minds have made use of, and it has really transformed their wardrobe. So many pieces has been made here. Then we simplified pattern drafting, broke down complex designs, and helped students gain confidence step by step. It is our joy to help every creative mind give their creativity expression. Voila! We moved into that manipulations. The princess seam shoulder, the armhole princess seam, and the bustier with yoke. Amazing! And then our one side dress skirts. This is the most viewed video of the year. Then we moved into the cowl skirts. We moved into all drape skirts. This is a drape 2 styles. That's amazing. Creative minds are mixed up. And here we have our tulip, the classy tulip drape skirts. We have here. Whether you're a beginner, this is a golded skirt. Whether you're a beginner or growing into advancing, every lesson was created to make learning easier. Thank you to every student who learned with us in 2025. If you missed any lesson, this is your sign. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Let us do smarter in 2026. This is to say thank you for trusting us and watching our tutorials. And we become bigger in 2026. Only on DOSefashions Academy YouTube channel.